What's up, everybody? This is your girl Ericka from the Classy Climb blog. I'm going to talk to you about several things that didn't exist in 2007. I want you guys to get over the hump of thinking, oh man, you know, no one's ever done that, or if I create it, will people like it? Will they even pay attention? Listen, use what's available to you because a lot of things weren't around even 10, 15 years ago. What you can do right now, if you haven't, check out our VIP mastermind in Alexandria, Virginia, May 18th and 19th. It's a great opportunity to learn about creative funding, alternative funding, creating partnerships, how I create partnerships with trucking and real estate, how that I connect with people and build out my circle. Again, also you'll have Charm City buyers there and the key resource who all have very unique ways of the ways they've done funding or got multifamily properties. It'll be a great opportunity for food and drink and to hang out. You guys will love it. And then I'm not gonna guarantee you because we can't do that, but definitely when you leave there, you're gonna have a game plan so you can start on a new path. But if you haven't checked out that or the funding course, what are you doing? All those links are below. So several things that didn't exist in 2007, all right? iPad, Instagram, Snapchat, Airbnb, Bitcoin, Spotify, Pinterest, Uber, WhatsApp, blockchain, Slack, Tesla, 4G, Android, and Beats, Dr. Dre's Beats. So what's stopping you from becoming the next success story? All those things didn't exist. Let me tell you again, listen, iPad, you know, many people love the iPad. iPhone was created in a recession. Instagram is making people millions of dollars, selling hundreds of thousands of dollars a day for certain companies, and it didn't exist in 2007. Snapchat, even though it's waning, but it's still up there hanging out strong. Why? Because sometimes people say silly things and they want it to come back off the internet when they're done, right? Airbnb did not exist in 2007. So many hotels are fighting with Airbnb in multiple cities across the United States. They don't own a single hotel, and yet they're the biggest almost housing opportunity in the whole United States, and actually other cities too, other countries too. Bitcoin, listen, Bitcoin came in like thunder, but it also awakened people to blockchain and what are these internet coins and ways for people to invest that they didn't know. They didn't have to use money or cash, okay? Spotify, love some Spotify. Music, you can run Spotify ads. There's so many independent artists right now who are using Spotify ads to plan where they're gonna make their next show, how to sell, they sell albums. It's interesting. Pinterest, there's a girl who says on Facebook, don't pin your life away, but it's almost a visual board, right? I'm big on vision boards, and you need to be writing your goals down daily so you remind yourself why you want them. Pinterest is just that, but it can get a little bit excessive. But it's a great way for people to sell t-shirts and clothes and recipes. I mean, it cookbooks, all kind of stuff has been sold via Pinterest. Uber did not exist in 2007, you guys. And Uber now is what? Like everybody knows that. Oh, take a Uber. They don't say take a taxi, they say take a Uber. Right now, airports all over the United States are fighting. Atlanta, Austin's starting to become one where they want you to walk way away from the airport to go get this Uber because there's just cars blocking up the way, you know, and it's not stopping it. Uber's still going strong, okay? We talked about blockchain, we talked about Bitcoin, Slack. Slack's a great way for people to communicate in groups, so it's not a group text where your phone's always pinging. It's almost like a forum style format, which people do really like. Tesla did not exist in 2007. Elon Musk was probably thinking about it, but didn't create it yet. So actually I'm in Austin, Texas, and I see a ton of Teslas, which is pretty interesting. 4G now, you know, Google Fiber, started to act like it was gonna come out and do a lot, but it actually is backing away from Nashville and it might be leaving us in Austin too. 4G is that breaking thing of, do you have 4G internet? Now it's, do you have 5G? Android did not exist. So the biggest competitor to iPhone, Android didn't exist. And Dr. Dre's Beats, Dr. Dre was not sitting on the, you know, somewhere sipping pina coladas yet. So what's stopping you? Don't let any of this stop you. I want you to think of creative things and ways and companies you can invest in. via several apps, Indiegogo, several apps online that you can invest in. Because you never know when the next company's gonna take off. So everybody, this is your girl Erica from the Classy Climb blog. If you didn't grab the funding course yet, check the links below. But also, if you're looking for the next level mastermind event, come check us out May 18th and 19th in Alexandria, Virginia. Later, you guys.